Hey, today I wanted to take you with me to Marshall's to see what they have in. The seasons are changing, so they are starting to put out some summer, spring stuff, and then they have sales on other items. All right, so when you come in, you can see, like I said, a lot of things that I think would be great for spring. So they have these dresses right here, and they all have these like great prints. You can get them in solids too. These would be great to wear from like work to out. They're about $20 for those, but that was a good price. They have a lot of different things on clearance. So they had this pretty sequin dress right here. So you can grab this, and then it has like, little short sleeves, a bold pop of color for $70. That's not bad. This right here, love this jumpsuit right here. So it is sleeveless, open back detail, and it fully lined, and it was $100. That's not bad for $100 at all. At least that's what I think. Like I said, a lot of cute things that I think would take you into spring. A lot of dresses that you can go from work to out. This one was $40. Calvin Klein dress. They had a lot of Calvin Klein in today when I went in. This one right here. A lot of these too I think would be great for Easter dresses. So if you're looking for an Easter dress, this one right here is $35, and it had like a little ruffle wrap kind of detail on it, and the zipper, love the zipper in the back. Again, that one was Calvin Klein. So they had a lot of Calvin Klein pieces, like I said, but a lot of these would be great for spring. So if you're looking to build your spring wardrobe, you might want to head over to Marshall's and pick some of these up. This one right here, another pretty one that I think would be great for Easter Sunday for $35. Not bad at all. They have still a lot of fall and winter shoes in. This one was $130 for these. I thought these were pretty. But then they do have a few sandals in that they're taking their time to transition. So, you'll be seeing those over the next couple of weeks. But they had these pair right here for $30. These wedge pair of sandals right here for $25. I like the mint color in those. This right here, a nice pair of flats they had for $25. And then these had like the braiding detail on it too. A lot of them had the braiding detail on it. So if you're into that, you might want to go grab those. Those for $30. These right here, this is the same brand as the boot in the beginning, and I just like the cream color in this one, and this one was $132. So you can get both of those for $130. This right here, just a fun animal print, and these right here, the Blowfish brand that they carry, $20. I didn't see a tag on these Timberland ones right here, but they looked comfy. They did. Swimsuits. So if you're going on vacation or you're getting ready for swimsuit season, they have cover-ups. Those pants, $20. And they have this palm print one that's not sheer. So if you're not into the sheer, then you can grab those. $17. They have their swimsuits out. Love this one right here. It has like the open back. Black is always a great color to get. $30 for that. They even had some on sale already, so $20 for that one on sale. And then it kind of had like the keyhole in the front there. This one kind of gave me like a retro vibe. I didn't see the bottoms. I just saw the top. The top was $20 for that, and it's a full long top, but I didn't see the bottoms to those. But they had a lot of pieces out, so you can get separates like these right here, like that top right there is $17, or you can get a full bathing suit like this one right here. Love this one right here. It had the belting detail, had support at the top, which I love, and I need $40 for that, so I thought that one was great. But at least at my Marshalls, they had a ton of bathing suits to pick from. So like I said, if you're looking for a vacation look, for getting ready for summer, you might want to head over there. This one, $25, and it had kind of like a little ruffle detail, so you might want to grab those. They had a lot of good sundresses that they had in. So this one right here, about $17, a nice black basic style. They have some with print. This one right here, so it has like the shearing detail on it. That one was $25. I love a good sundress, so you might want to grab some of those. They have shorter ones too, so if you're not into the long ones or you like to mix it up, this one was pretty. So it had the tie detail in the back, so the back opening with the tie detail, and that was only $20. Thought that was great. Knit dresses. I love a good like knit dress, t-shirt dress, and this one had a little detail in the back, which made it really cute. So that's another good one. That one was about $20 for that. So you can grab a lot of good summer dresses. Pajamas. So they had a good amount of pajamas too in the Marshalls when I went this time. So they have the two-piece sets. This one was about $20. The short sleeves, the long pants. This one right here with the print all over it, the BB print all over it. And this one was in pink too with the short sleeves, $17 for this one. So they had a different, styles and variety. You can also get shorts. They had some of those too. Purses and accessories. So they have different brands, different styles. This little backpack here, $70. These are great for like travel, for when you're going out, days out. You can pack away little stuff in. Um, a ton of little black purses. This BB one, $25. This Kate Spade one was on clearance. So you can get some of the purses too now on clearance right now. But they had just a ton of them. This one right here, $25. I like the little stitching detail on that one right there. Some Michael Kors pieces, which they always seem to have at Marshall's, TJ Maxx. That one was $130. This one I love the details with the suede and the leather. $60 for that, not bad at all. They had some pretty pink ones in, so if you're looking for like some pinks and yellows, they have those. This one was $50, and you can see the print and then the pink there. This one right here, made in Italy. And this, I love the color of this Michael Kors one. So it is like it's not a mint green. I don't know what kind of green it would be considered, but I like the color. It was $130 for that one. And then this one right here, only $20 for this one. Thought that one was cute. This one right here kind of gave me a baby bag feel. I don't know. But they had just a ton of different picks. So these are different shades of blue. So you can get the Kate Spade one for $100 there. And it's just nice and simple, that piece right there. Then they have this one right here, which you can get for $50. And it kind of it's giving me that aged kind of look to that one. I don't know. But that one was a cute one too. So like I said, a ton of different blues and different things. Sweaters. So they had a ton of cardigans on clearance that you might want to pick up. So this is a good time. I love a cardigan. So you can grab these because you'll use these again next season. So $14 for this one, and it had a nice length to it. The print was pretty. They had a good amount of picks for those. Little backpacks. The sign said DKNY, but they had different ones displayed here. So $30 for that one. And you can see the little tags. You can wear it differently. So you can adjust the straps on that one. $25 for that one. And you can see the little bow detail on that. These right here, I think these would be great carry-ons. $60. So, and it had a little pouch that goes with it. Thought that was cute. So you might want to grab something like that because they had a few different ones to pick. They even had some that I think would make cute baby bags. So this one right here, I think that'd be a cute baby bag. Or you could use it as carry-on or just a duffel. And it was on clearance too. So that one was $32. And again, it came with a little pouch with it. Another pretty pink one, $40 for that one right there. Steve Madden. This I thought was cute because of the handle. You can see like a little gold metal detail there. $25. Not bad at all. Thought that was really pretty. Just a ton of different things. So I like the print on that one right there. This one, thought that was pretty. So you can get a ton of purses right now. Always Marshalls, TJ Maxx. They're great places to grab a little purse from. And this one was on sale for $80. So you can catch some sales right now. You see that pretty floral print one back there for $25. Thought that was pretty. Something nice for spring that you can just have. This little quilted jacket here, I just thought it was cute. $30 for that. So, because spring is, the weather is weird. So little jackets are cute to have. Long cardigans. Like I said, I love a cardigan. So $30 for these. Nice lightweight. So you can layer these. They had it in black. They had it in that pretty like pink peach color. Some more Calvin Klein pieces right here. So they had this shirt here with a lot of pretty details for $30. Not bad at all. And it's bold blue. And then you can even pair it, if you like to do the color on color, you could pair it with these pants right here. So they were $25. Or you can mix and match it, But they had a few cute dress pants. These right here with the gold buttons, $20. This little jacket right here, $30. These sweaters I thought were cute, so $25. You can see like the kind of crochet, kind of knit detail on the sleeves there, and they had different patterns, so I thought that was nice. These slacks right here, I think these are cute, and these would go good with the sweaters. These would go good with one of their button-ups. Only $20, and they had a little print on it too. They had some activewear pieces that I thought were great, just nice simple pieces. So $15, and it was like a cute little floral print there. And I loved how they gave you the measurements so you can see how long it would be. This right here, $30 for this, not bad at all. So it is a cute little jacket that you can wear, and then you can see a little detail on the bottom there. It has pockets and everything. This Columbia jacket right here, this one has a hood, so this would be great for like the spring, like I said, because the weather is weird. So $40, and if you get caught in the rain, you can just toss up your hood there. Thought that one was nice. Sweatshirts, love a sweatshirt. So this one kind of has like the half button detail on it, little hood in the back there, $25, and the color was real pretty. Some other Columbia pieces, with the wording all down the sleeves there, $22. Some other bold prints right here. So you can get a lot of good activewear, especially if you like to wear activewear pieces. Clearance, like I said, a ton of clearance. I didn't go through it all, but they have, so you might want to head down there and check out. This little slip dress I thought was cute with the polka dot print, just something nice and simple. It didn't have a clearance sticker on it though, so the clearance is going to be, get a look through it. But that one was 20. This dress I thought was so cute. It would have been perfect for Valentine's Day, but you could still wear this right here, and I just thought it was so cute. $40, that's not bad at all. Again, didn't have a clearance sticker on it, but I'm sure it probably rang up as a clearance. Some other cute, like simple dresses. So this shirt dress right here, $35, and it's 100% linen. Linen is great for, as it gets warmer out. This jumpsuit I thought was so cute, sleeveless with the little belting on it. And it was only $50, and it was, a nice weight. It looked good quality. Some more cute pieces. And you can wear these too for Easter. If you don't want to wear a dress, you can wear a cute jumpsuit. $40 for that one. This one right here, another $40 one, and they had like the ruffle detail on it. Thought that was nice. So you can get a ton of nice pieces right now at Marshall. So you might want to head over there and see what you might want to get to stock up for your spring collection.